We decided to build with Taylor Homes because when we were looking at building, we did a lot of research on other companies in the area, and we found a lot of good things people were saying about Taylor Homes. So that's why we went with them. Did search on the Better Business Bureau, and they had an A+ rating with lots of good comments.
It was a good experience, our building with Taylor Homes. They're wonderful to work with.
They seem to have a high integrity and built good homes at affordable prices. And the fact that they had the brick wrap as a standard option was a big sell point for us. The thing I liked best about the building process with Taylor Homes was the way they worked with us. Through the design and through the building process, whenever issues came up, superintendent was right there for us. And while we were trying to make decisions on what we wanted in the house, the sales team was giving us all the options that we could possibly want.
I think it was neat that we got to pick different things. So we put our spin on everything in the house.
It was fun. It was educational, and we learned a lot about the building process going through it for the first time. And they were helpful every step of the way. Quality of the building products used by Taylor Homes met or exceeded our expectations. We went with standard options on most everything, and we're really happy with the results.
It's a beautiful home, beautiful lot.
If we ever decided to build another house, we would pick Taylor Homes again because of the good communication we had with the sales staff, with the building team, particularly the superintendent. They were always there for us when we needed them. If we had a question, they were ready with the answer and got back with us real quick. We enjoyed the process going with the sales team, picking out the different options, going through all the different floor plans, finding the ones that matched our needs, and then tweaking them to get the little details that we wanted. It was a lot of fun.
Now you